Hi friends, this is Pawan Sharma. In this video, we will be talking about a very simple trading setup. A setup which will contain only two components, and by using these two components, you can identify your buy, so your entry, and simultaneously you can identify your exit also, because most of the time we are confused that we have taken an entry, now where to exit, where to book your profit. And once you book your profit, you can also enter on the sell side and go along with the setup, and once it will say buy, you can exit from your quit side also. So let's start with it. Friends, I have already recorded this video on my Hindi channel. तो ये मैं ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्ड कर चुका हूँ अपने हिंदी चैनल पे, तो अगर आपको इंग्लिश नहीं आता तो आप मेरे हिंदी चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हैं. सो एंड दिस वीडियो विल बी एंटायर इन इंग्लिश एंड विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सेटअप. And friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. That we can support it, and do not forget to press bell icon. So whenever we post such video, you will get the notification for the same. So let's start with the video. This setup will contain two components. So one will be, the first will be, this will be, you will go to the indicator. So let's first talk about the pros, like what are good into this setup. The first part is, if you use this setup, on 3 or 5 minutes, it gives good results, which means if you are into live market and if you are trading in live market, then you must use 3 minute or 5 minute max. Beyond that, you might not get that desired result. So first thing is, if you are using the setup, only use on 3 to 5 minute maximum. Do not go beyond that time frame. Okay. Second thing is, it does not predict reversals. Reversals, I would say sharp reversals. Let's say the stock is going and suddenly you will see a very big red candle. It cannot identify that. So you should be like, once you are into the trade, you should make sure that your stop loss is very tight and go with the flow. But it does not happen always. Very rarely, maybe once or twice in a month it will happen. And even if it happens, you can quit on cost. So please keep in mind that when the market will take sharp reversal, let's say you just see a big candle and suddenly the next candle fall down. So you will get the notification, but by then half of the move will already be gone. Means you have taken a trade here and you will be almost close to your entry. So that way you have to quit on cost. Okay. So that will be the one. And let's talk about, these are the cons. These are the cons. Now let's talk about pros. What are good into this setup? Easy to use, very easy. Second would be, you can use it on any time frame, but I will not suggest you should go beyond 3 minutes or 5 minutes. If you are taking a swing trade, for swing will be 30 minutes, not beyond that. Like for entry also, just stay with the 30 minutes, and once you have taken the trade, you can also switch to 15 minutes also. That way you will be able to you can say go with the flow, and you can book your profit on time also. And the first is easy. Second one is, it's almost based on the, like, I would say a price action, almost price action, but yes, we will be using the indicators for the same. And there's one more cons here, as we are using the setup where we will be using a candle that consider average. Average means open plus high plus low plus close divided by 4. That will be the average. So this will come as current market price. So once the current market price would be there, it might be average. So maybe that stock might be trading at 920 and you might see 917 or 918. So it is quite possible, and you do not have to worry about that, because we already have tested this current setup. And one more thing, I have like the same thing which I have said to my Hindi viewers. In case when you test your strategy, do not start with heavy quantity. Always start with 1 or 2 quantity, 5 quantity. And if you want to test on Nifty and Banknifty, don't go beyond 1 lot. Second, if in case just by changing few values, just by maybe you find something better, do let me know through the comment box, so that we can share the same with everybody, so that everybody can earn from that. However, I have already tested this setup, it works pretty well. More, I would say 90% of the time it will give you good results. And just maybe as I said, that sharp reversal or maybe sudden fall, sudden rise, in those cases I would say we have to consider that those scenarios are within 10%. So let's see where we are, what we have to do into this one. First of all, okay, one more thing, sorry about this. The indicators which will be used works on trading view only so far. So you can open a free account, you don't have to pay for them. On free account also you can use these indicators, so be assured. So let's me tell you what we have to use. The first thing is, you will in your indicator type linear regression, not channel. You have to type candles, linear regression candles, not this one. This will be from this is kind of, you can say, UGU RVU, and this might be different because maybe if you are going with this setup after a few weeks, maybe you are watching this video after a few weeks, this might be different, but this name will be same. So you will plot this linear regression candle, and once you plot it, immediately you will find something like this one. So if you see, it's a mix up, like the normal candles also there, and the linear regression candles also there. To avoid this confusion, what you will do, you will go to the name which is on the top, you'll click on the three dots and you'll click on hide. So now you have hidden the normal candles. Now what you see on your chart is only linear regression candle, and once you open that, then you just have to go to the settings, and what I have done is smoothing signal I have 7 and this one is 11. So you can change your setting accordingly. The first that will be the setting, and let me just okay, right. Do we have anything else? Style, I haven't changed anything from style and neither from visibility. So input will be 7 and 11. Now as I said that this works. Okay, this line, how do we see this line? When you say style, can you see this plot? You will see this line maybe as a like a white line, just like this. So what I have done, I have just changed the color to the line plot and I have just clicked OK. So that way I can see this line also. This line will help you in understanding that whether the trend is positive or not. So this is a positive trend. This is not a negative trend. This is a negative trend. This is a negative trend, which means if you see red candles above this line, do not consider it as a sell. Yes, that's the first thing. You will only sell when the candles will be below this blue line, red line, whatever the line color you will go with. So if the candles are below this line, you will sell. If there are green candles below this line, you will not buy. If the candles are above this line and green, you will buy. And if the candles above this line are red, you will not sell. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to keep in mind. Do not get confused. These are fake entries. Basically, these are fake entries. All right. So to avoid these fake entries, all you have to do is you just have to ignore these, and maybe you might have bought here. You will stay, hold. You can say hold. You will hold your position, and if you see there, you will see a very big move. So far, we have update the setup. Now, how we will get the buy and sell signal? So first of all, I will put this chart. This is a Banknifty chart, and this will be for today. Today is October 6, 2023. October 6, 2023. So this is a chart starting from here till here. Okay, so entire day you can see on this chart because we have kept it on 5 minutes. Now the second indicator which I'm going to plot here will be, you will just type UT bot and alerts. Okay, this one, UT bot alert. So this will be the second indicator which you will plot. I have already plotted on this my chart, so I will be just active things. So the moment I have active this, you can see, you can see here, yeah, right. So here you got a buy signal, and this is the final buy you will get here. So around 10 o'clock you got the buy, because you must know that today there was a gap up. So finally you get an entry here. That's the first entry from 325 to 500, and the second entry came here that is 275, and once again it went up. So you will take an entry here and you will exit from here. You will take an entry here, you will exit from here, and then you can buy a put and you can continue with the second side also. Now how to, like, what will be the setting for this one? The setting which I have here is 1 and 2. The first key value, this change is sensitivity, I kept it as 1. ATR period, I kept it as 2. Okay, and do I have any other changes also? Let me just check. Style, no, I haven't changed anything from here. Visibility, no. So I just have checked, I just have changed these two values. By default, I think you will get, let me just see, reset setting. So with this will be 1 and 10. So I just change 10 to 2, and that way it works pretty well. Now if you look at here, this is a buy here, you will not take a trade. This is a sell here, you will not take a trade. So trade will be here. This is a buy here, you will not take a trade. This is a sell here, you will take a trade. This is a buy here, perfect. This is a sell here. This is a buy here, no. This is a sell here, fine. So this way, if the line is above these candles and you see a sell, go for it. If line is above these candles and you see a buy, don't go for buy. And if the candles are between the lines, avoid. Take your time, wait for another 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and then take a trade accordingly. So this small setup will help you in intraday, your swing tradings, or maybe your short term. Maybe I do not recommend more than 30-minute time frame if you are going for swing trading, because it does not identify the gap ups and gap downs. Okay, if I show you this Nifty chart also, this will be, oh no, not this one, my mistake. If I show you the Nifty chart also, right, if you see here on 6th, you see a big gap ups. Ideally, the market opens somewhere close to these levels only, and then this is where you get your buy. Actual buy came here and actual buy came here. So for 610, you went till 670. So straight 60 points in Nifty, which is a very big move. And in you will get a buy signal, you will get a sell signal. So accordingly, you can quit and take your positions also. So hope guys, this setup will help you in your trading journey. 1, do not blindly follow it. Test it with low quantity. 2nd, in case you find something like a supporting indicator or something better setting while you trade, because you will take more trades as compared to me, then just let me know. And in case you find some kind of adjustment, that also let me know. Okay, so you can just type in the comment box. I'll get to know about this. Take care guys, and hope this will help you. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. We'll keep coming with such informative videos, and take care guys. Bye bye.